In the current job market, many people are looking for work in the IT field. While the competition can be fierce, there are certain things you can do to increase your chances of landing a job in this area. This video will tell you how to get an IT job in the UK. In addition to providing useful tips, the video will also dispel some common myths about working in this field. Work permits and visas. If you are from the EU, EEA, or Switzerland and have a current passport or ID card, you can work in the UK without a visa or work permit. This could be different for more recent EU members, like Croatia, where you need a registration certificate to find out if you need a work visa for the UK or what your plans are. You'll probably require a visa to enter the UK and work if you're from a country other than those listed. You may learn more and often apply through the local British embassy. Each nation may have a different procedure. To work in the UK, you'll need a work permit, which your company must apply for. What is working in the UK like? The British workplace can differ greatly in terms of the working atmosphere and culture. Other workplaces can be open and active, with the radio playing Kiss.FM and co-workers chatting about last night's absurd show of football. Some offices might be a quiet and reserved cubicle area with the occasional phone ringing. Apart from the accepted principles of behavior and respect for one another, the UK doesn't have a set display of rules or ethics for the office environment, therefore it truly depends on the firm you work for. How much money might I make? The average UK pay for information technology is £35,337, according to statistics from TechnoJobs. Naturally, salaries greatly depend on experience, talents, and location, with employment in London often paying more. A contractor in the UK may make up to £400 per day on average. Getting a career in IT in the UK. You may browse the IT jobs on TechnoJobs and submit an online application if you want to further your career in the UK and plan to do so soon. Additionally, you may sign up to get email job notifications whenever your dream position becomes available. Is it hard to find a job in IT in the UK? Although it might be simple to get a job in London, the market is competitive. This implies that you must distinguish yourself from the herd. Because various sectors have varied needs and expectations, some jobs are simpler to discover than others. Therefore, before applying for positions, make sure you complete your study. Are IT jobs in the UK good? New job categories are being developed in the technology sector. For workers with skills in information technology, computer science, and programming, this has generated new, high-demand possibilities. Finding out more about the various IT positions might help you decide whether working in this industry is a good fit for you. What education do I need to work in IT? Knowledge and abilities. The capacity for collaborative work. Understanding of computer technology, software, and operating systems. Ability to think analytically. Engineering science and technology expertise. To do anything thoroughly and carefully. Customer service abilities. Outstanding verbal communication abilities. I hope this video was very informative and helpful. It gave some great tips on how to get an IT job in the UK. Please comment and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.